Hello everyone. I am making this video because I wanted to talk about 5 simple things you should ask before you give the booking amount. So I'm going to break it down for you into 2 categories. One is if you are buying from the builder or developer, and the second is if you are buying a resale property from a person who has already registered it. So the first tip is ask if there is commencement certificate and occupation certificate for the project. Very simple question, easy to get an answer. The second one is ask if it is RERA registered. Many of these things overlap with each other, but if you ask these 5 questions, there's hardly any chance that you can go very wrong. The third thing is ask if the property has been DC converted. That is whether it is residentially converted and the order should have been issued by the Deputy Commissioner. Fourth is ask what type of khata does the property have. See, sometimes they say the land is A khata but the flat is B khata. What you need to know is what type of khata does the flat have. So you should get the answer that it's an A khata or that it is a Panchayati E khata. E khata means an electronic khata. If you get these 2 answers, then you can proceed with your booking. And last but not least, read the booking form. Are there any clauses which says that certain amount will be deducted in case you decide not to go ahead with the property? Are there any clauses which says that the money will be refunded only after 45 days or after they sell the flat to somebody else? So it should be a clean refund in the booking amount. The second type of purchasers are the purchasers who buy flats from resellers. Now for all of you, you have to ask the same above questions. In addition to that, there are 2 extra questions which you need to ask before you give the booking amount. The first is there a bank loan on the property? Is there a mortgage on the property? And if yes, which bank it is and what is the loan outstanding amount? The second question is, does the reseller have all the parent documents to share with you so that you can do your own title due diligence? The last tip which I have to give for resellers is, please deal with the owner directly, or even if there's a broker in between, you should have at least spoken to the owner, known his whereabouts, that he has agreed to sell the property, or there is some connection or communication with the owner before you proceed with the step of giving a token advance and getting your photocopies to give for title due diligence. That's it. Thank you.